Do you want to start your business and do not know what e-commerce is? Are you wondering to know all about e-commerce and the benefits it can give you by boosting your business? In this video, we will share all the important details regarding e-commerce and its business models to which you will have a clear mind about it and start your business. The term e-commerce, which also goes by the names electronic commerce and internet commerce, describes the purchasing and selling of products and services through internet, as well as the related movement of funds and data. Stay until the end of this video because we are going to show you all the important information about e-commerce and its all business models. So let's come to the topic. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is the term for business and personal transactions that happen only in the virtual world of the internet. Online transactions may be made across various industries and consumer demographics using multiple technologies. E-commerce operates in multiple fields of business, including books, music, airline, tickets, financial services like stock trading and online banking. So it's a game-changing piece of technology. Purchasing and selling physical goods and services through the internet are known as e-commerce. For a transaction to go through, it usually takes a lot of people and transfer of money or information between them. Electronic business or e-business is a broader term for everything needed to run a business in the digital world. What is an e-commerce business model? One's strategy for making money from selling goods and services via the internet is known as an e-commerce business model. Some typical e-commerce business strategies include selling products to end users, selling products to other companies, and offering digital services. Is there a distinction to be made between e-commerce and digital commerce? All types of electronic communications such as social media, text messages, email, etc. are included in digital commerce, while e-commerce solely refers to website transactions. E-commerce business model types. An online retailer's operational model has a lot of key ways to adapt to the specifics of its products, services, and internal structure. These are only few of the most common types of commercial structures. Business to consumer, B2C. In a business to consumer that is called B2C e-commerce, the final consumer is the target customer, a business that deals directly with the end user, as opposed to an intermediary is known as a business to consumer B2C enterprise. Any company, from your little sports goods shop to Amazon, may utilize this strategy to sell you anything. Most people's first thought about e-commerce revolve around this fundamental business strategy. Business to business, B2B. A company may sell products to a customer like business to consumer. When doing business online, this user may not even be a consumer but rather another business. Most business-to-business deals include bigger volumes, more detailed requirements, and longer delivery timeframes. If the purchase is for repeatable production processes, the ordering organization may additionally need to establish recurring items. Business to government, B2G. Certain businesses excel when it comes to supplying products and services to government organizations. In a business-to-business transaction, the company creates something of value and then transfers that value to another party. Businesses that sell goods and services to the government most often submit proposals in response to government RFPs, seek bids for projects, and provide goods that fit exact standards. Also, many government agencies may work together to make a single request for proposal for a government-wide purchase. Consumer to consumer, C2C. Direct to consumer, DTC, and other forms of e-commerce are limited to well-established businesses. Digital marketplaces are one type of e-commerce platform that allows users to list and sell their own items to other users. The listings on these C2C marketplaces may take the form of auctions, like those seen on eBay, or they may need a more in-depth discussion of the product or service on offer. That is Craigslist postings, C2C. E-commerce systems are made possible by technology, which lets customers buy and sell goods without going through middlemen. Consumer to business, C2B. Consumers have found it much simpler to connect with businesses and provide their skills in context of freelance work, gigs, and other types of short-term contracting. Look at the Upwork postings as an example. Customers can work with businesses that are looking to hire people for specific jobs by submitting bids or asking for more information. The e-commerce platform connects companies and independent contractors, giving customers more control over price, scheduling, and hiring. Consumers to the government, C2G. Customers can interact with administrations, agencies, or governments in ways that differ from the physical e-commerce connection through C2G collaboration. These alliances often involve the trading of responsibilities rather than the bartering of services. Using the IRS website to file your federal taxes is an example of an e-commerce transaction that involves the exchange of information. You may also pay your county assessor, your property tax bill, or your university's tuition online. This was all for today's video on what is e-commerce and what is different business models through which e-commerce is done. If you are considering launching an online store, study the market thoroughly and remember that you need to start small and narrow to allow for expansion. Before leaving, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.